Okay, fellow South Africans, as nibonile i-video yami ngisho ngithi angihambi ngiyi-1 and sikhala sonke kanye ngento eyi-1 as bese nginiphile amaphuzu ukuthi iMoja Love ayisikhathi.
South Africans, iMoja Love ithi ihambe isiza abantu of which yonke lento abayenzayo laphana on screen ayikho. They just go and bribe people. Even namanje bachitha imizi yabantu ngale show yaJola 99 of which last week they were bebase PE of which PE abantu ababashutile bonke bababhadala ama 1.5. Ngikuthatha phi lo kuseza kusasekuncane engisakuletha ama highlights nase Kempton Park they know ukuthi kwenzakaleni and I still have in i-proof yayo yonke leyo nto leyo. So manje okunye okulandelayo la bangisendele ama letter of which ama letter bengithreatenishwa bathumele uOprita uthumele ipuppet yakhe of which ipuppet yakhe uBrandon, right? Wangisendela iletter of which akasena access yokungifonela uOprita, akasena access yokungifonela uArch, second puppet kaOprita uArch. Ngiyantshela. So manje njengoba size la asisithi sodwa abakhalayo ngeMoja Love sibaningi. I've spent 6 years ngisebenza eMoja Love but okuningi nizokuza ku podcast, nizokuza emaphepheni. Kwamanje kusasama highlights. Ngiyabonga.
Enough is enough South Africa. Moja Love like yasiza kakhulu. Isizile njengoba bashilo bafowethu sibaningi esikhalayo. So sifuna ukuthi kuphele yonke indlela basendayo. Sibete kakhulu siluze nempilo zethu. And then thine bakhona kuhamba babribe abantu, bakhona ukudonate abantu njengale bayikhiphe 250,000 bantwana nabashonile. Mara bona bahluleka ukubhadala thine ku7 tabo lesibasita ukuthi bona bakhona ukuphumelela, baphumelela ngathi. So lokuningi sokukhuluma ku podcast.
So mina engikubuzayo iMoja Love ine show bathi skip ama-file but ama-file wabo wasendlini awakaveli. So yithi ke sizonivezela wona ke Mzansi. Game on. Moja Love asihlangane nisiboneni ke manje.
Besides ama-file wabo abolile guys. Durban, where are you? Cape Town, where are you?
Kunabantu eDurban abalahlekelwe imisebenzi ngendaba yeMoja Love basebenzisa izinto zasemsebenzini ukuthi bashute kuphuma contact. Namhlanje bahlela abasebenzi. Ngibuya kancane.
Bahlukene namakhampani wabo anzima ekubeka bakhulisela abantwana ezindlini zabo because of fake content. Sugar Mommy, there was a lady obeka driver truck. That lady his bamskemile. She was scammed because of iMoja Love. Namhlanje icompany imthrow out ushanyela iskontiri ucosha amaphepha izingane zilambile izingane azidli then they don't care abasena ndaba bona because of bakutholile bakufunayo kuye babenefitile the way babenefite ngakhona inside the office now as we speak.
Asivali sizoqhubeka kuseza siyabuya sisazodlula South Africa nisazozwa kusasekuncane lokho sisaphambili sizosuka manje sizoya ku-embassy yase South Africa sikwazi ukuhlangana namanye ama-embassy ngendaba eyenzeka bayazi ukuthi kwenzeka ilethe yakhona ngisasenayo. Siyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Guys, ishubile Bonkanyezi namahlala entabeni and the other guy, they're exposing iMoja Love for kuba exploiter ingababhadali obakhala and it's not the first time siva abantu bakuMoja Love bakhala kangaka. Ngisho umuntu lokuvela nje khona bayakhala bathi njena bababhadali Moja Love yababalekela mase kufanele babhadali uyabablocker. It's not the first time sivi Moja Love trenda ngokungabhadali. It's not the first time sivi Moja Love trenda for actisa abantu. KuyaJola 99 kuya-actwa. Yonke indzawo ukuya-actwa kuyaJola 99 asingile nimingile. Guys, sibukela sketch nje lapha. Sibukelela sketch. I remember I think it was the last year makhelwana nami kwavela kuyaJola 99 mangimbuda wathi ayibo ngibhadaliwe mina nje ukuthi ngiyovela and ngalesi sikhathi beyisengakadumi lento yokuthi Moja Love is actually paying people ukuthi ba-act. Wathi nje ngibhadaliwe mina bengike ngize ngingavumi bangi-approacha imali ngiyayifuna nje nami ngaya ku-act kuya-actwa guys lento vele ayikho real. So what they are saying it's true ukuthi vele kuya-actwa laphayana nje, kudlalwa nje ngathi ayikho into le-real lapha. Bathi bakhathele kuthula, bathi bakhathele bafuna timali tabo, bakhathele kudlalwa nguMoja Love, aluka babalekela wena ama-show bosikhipha amafayile mara bona abo mafayile abawakhiphe nabo okuthiwa bilani. Bathi nje thina sihlaleni sinethedekeni tindzaba tiyofika ngelayini, bafuna kuqhitha oma-beans, basitshele yonke i-dirty laundry yeMoja Love. Guys, tisatoshuba kusatoba busy nje because bomahlala entabeni nankanyezi they are just saying ukuthi vele they are fuming, bafuna kubona iMoja Love exposekile for exploiting people, for qetha makhaya bantu ukuthi balahlekelwe umsebenzi ngenxa yabo. Guys, sinkingeni iMoja Love. Opritao, bonkanyezi, they are coming for you. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.